Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I'll show you the new accessories I got for Moana and how to make this easy Moana inspired fringed skirt. I recently noticed that the singing Moana doll got a new packaging and lost a lot of accessories that I was really interested in. I really wanted this crown she comes with, but I also wanted the Pua and Heihei figurine that the Disney store removed in the newer version. That's why I decided to go on eBay and found this package for a pretty good deal. The package contains the singing Moana doll, her pedal, her original outfit, Pua and Heihei, a necklace that opens and lights up, and her crown. The singing doll is only articulated in one arm because the other arm contains the singing mechanism. The skirt is printed, so it's a lot less detailed compared to the skirt from her signature doll that has some different layers and textures. Her hair also is quite messy, so to be honest, I'm not that interested in this doll. But having this outfit on my original rerouted Moana doll makes me really happy. As you can see though, this skirt is fully printed as well, instead of having this fringe that actually moves. So I want to make an extra skirt to make sure there is some movement in her outfit. I'm also going to make a whole new skirt for Moana, inspired by her Voyager's outfit that she wears in the end of the movie. For these skirts, I'm using yarn in red and a tan color. I start by cutting 3 long strands of yarn and braid these strands together. When I'm done braiding, I tie a knot at both ends. Then I take an object that is around the length of the skirt I want to make and start wrapping the yarn around this. For a Moana skirt, I used the box of a CD. When you've wrapped the yarn around it a bunch of times, you want to cut the yarn in a straight line. This makes sure all the strands are the same length. Now, you want to take the braid you made and start looping the shorter strands of yarn around it, the same way as I showed in my no-sew tutu skirt tutorial. Take a strand that is folded in half, bring it around the braid, and bring the ends through the loop you've created. Take a strand that is folded in half, bring it around the braid, and bring the ends through the loop you've created. Then you want to repeat these same steps until you have a skirt that is wide enough to wrap around the doll's body. For Moana's first look, you only need to add one of these skirts on top of the skirt you already have, to get your doll to look like this. The other skirt I'm trying to create is the skirt she wears at the end of the movie. For this, I separate the tan colored yarn and start adding red strands in the middle of the skirt. Then, I brush and trim the skirt to make it look even. I don't want to really brush out the yarn, I just want to make it lay more straight. To make the entire skirt, I made this short tan skirt with a red stripe in the middle and a similar longer one. I also have an even longer one in all red. When you layer them up, it will look like this. As you can see, there's finally some movement in Moana's skirt. Now you just want to add her other accessories and she's ready for her picture. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of my doll pictures, make sure to follow me on Instagram @TheDollBoy. See you next time!